Alright guys, in today's video of unboxing, I'm getting ready to take a shower. I just got off of work, hence the shower cap on. Today we are actually, this is perfect because we are actually opening up towels today. So I bought these towels because we needed new towels at home and I finally got them in. So I'm gonna show you guys and I'm gonna unbox them. These are towels from Riley, that's the brand. I did my research before and I YouTubed, what are the best towels out there. One of the videos that I seen was this towel. Oh guys, it came with this tote bag. Playful, luxury, serious quality. RileyHome.com. How cute! For when you take it to the beach. Okay, anyways. Okay, so, alright. Wow! Holy cow, this feels super thick. Oh my gosh. The box originally, when I felt it, it was already heavy. So, this is just one towel, and it's pretty heavy. And very, very thick. Do you guys see that? Okay, let me open it up. Wow, super good quality. Oh my gosh, I love this. Oh wow. Oh wow, I really love this. Oh my gosh. It's so long. Oh heck yeah, this is covering our whole entire body. It feels super heavy. And this is kind of like the material. I'll let you guys know the kind of material it is, okay? I'll leave a picture of it in the video so that you guys can see how it looks. But anyways, the one feature that I liked about this towel that you guys won't guess makes all of the difference is this one little thing. It's a hook. It's the hook. You can hook your towel. You know how you have to usually put your towel to hang it on something and it's just like hang it like this? No, it's gonna be super easy because this already has the hook for it. So you could just hook it. So it could be easier for drying. Oh heck yeah. I'm not gonna struggle anymore. So this is like game changer for me. I love this. Winning. This is me adulting right here because who raves about this? Like, I'm not even a mom yet, but I'm raving over towels right now. I am so excited. I got 2 of them. So, one for me and one for my hubby. Yay! Alright guys, I'm gonna take a shower now because I'm stinky. I'm stinky. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching.